Hey guys, so you have definitely seen me talk about these guys. I really enjoy these little tiny, these little tins that you can put a bunch of stuff into, and you can put 6 of them inside of an Altoid tin. Close it pretty comfortably. And there's enough space on the side there. I've even shown you the larger ones. I have those in a few videos back. And it does give you some space along the sides there. If you take off the 3 top ones. You have the space on the top for whatever you want to place in there. But I was thinking, because I got really serious about making these tins and these kits, I thought about something really cool. And since I like to 3D print, I decided to go ahead and streamline this whole idea by creating my own personal bottoms. And what these are is I 3D printed. Actually, I had my friend 3D print these. Shout out to Mike. He does my 3D prints. But I created my own little pockets to go inside of here, or drawers, I guess you could say. And as you see, like, they're pretty tight in there. I built them to stand the weight and the other stuff that you can put inside. But this one, for instance, has smaller drawers. The white drawers are smaller and thinner, and they slide right up in there. But it fits perfectly along that curve. And then this is like the little door. I was thinking about putting hinges on them. I'll get them out of here. See, I'm kind of nervous when I make these videos, so my hands are all buttery all the time. But yeah, as you can see, there's still enough space to slide in this little guy. Even with this blue one right here, you can put it in there. He doesn't sit all the way snug in there, but on the next one, this blue one right here, put these. The blue one is, this one has larger the blue drawers are larger than the white drawers. And these doors, so I messed up when I was making the measurements for this one, so this one's a lot more tighter. I don't want to break it, but also, I'm trying to make a video. Yeah, so this one, these drawers are actually harder to get out than these white drawers, because these ones were built almost to the perfect width and size of the Altoid tin. And the white drawer in the middle is actually smaller. It was supposed to go, I can put the white drawer back in here, but see, the white drawer is nice and snug in there too. But the white drawer comes out pretty nice. It goes in this one, actually. And see, you can see the space in that one. This one has no space. In fact, it has no space to the point where I can wedge this guy in there and get it to fit perfectly, but nothing moves. And I do want to be able to get the doors out, and but yeah, so I decided just to 3D print those guys. You can still put this in there, and there's no space whatsoever. It doesn't move. You can hear it shake, but yeah, I really like the idea of these drawers, being able to fit in there. And they are, let's take the light one out, because they're the same height on both of them. They are the same, just slightly larger than these tins. So I can go in there and change the height if I did want them smaller to be able to put more stuff on top. But if you guys are interested in having these files, I can probably, if you set up a comment, I can probably send out my email or whatever, and I can probably just send you the STL files, or I don't know, I can figure it out somehow. But yeah, I was really liking this. And another thing that I have too, I made another one. You'll notice that this Altoid tin doesn't have its lid on it, and I'll show you that for a second. This one is a full set. It's a full thing, and it has small little drawers, smaller than these ones actually. It's the same exact one cut into, this one's cut into 3 parts. But yeah, this guy is just nothing but the one that you can slide all the way across the bottom. More space on the sides. I did make a blue one, but the blue one is substantially larger. You can't really see. It is larger than the white one, and it's essentially the same exact size as the bottom of the Altoid, which kind of sucked. So I can't stuff this one inside of an Outwitme tin. However, I got into thinking, whoop, whoop, I got these guys. I was thinking about putting it inside the top here. And what I can do is I can create maybe, like I did with the tins across the top, I can probably do a Velcro top, you know, and then have it so like it just adheres to that one. Or I can do it upside down, and I can just figure out how to make the door stay on, because this one does have a door also. You know, and what it does is, like, when you close this, I'm trying to show you guys without moving it upside down. It sits almost the exact size of the door. So, you know, you won't have it, you have all this space still, and, you know, the lid will be full of stuff, you know. You can do it with your white one, you know, just kind of show you better, you know, the space. But yeah, so I really like to 3D print things. So I decided to design one of those. And the reason why this Altoid tin doesn't have a lid is because if you don't have any of these, if you don't have, you know, one of these little things that I decided to 3D print out, you can take a lid of an Altoid tin and you can put that in the top. You know, and you can figure out how to get it to stay in there, you know, and it's even smaller than those, the ones I 3D printed. And then you have like another little case, and you can even put these tins in there, or the larger tins that I have, you know. You can just put those up in there, and yeah, there you go, you know. You create like a little wall. The whole reason that I wanted these things, though, is essentially to take out these out of my kits and just keep it all stationary. But yeah, you can see how this will fit right in. It's like fits perfectly inside of it. But yeah. Oh, and then the other one, what was I gonna say? You put that in there. Oh, I had something else, but I cannot remember what it was. I did design these all using Blender. But yeah, they're actually really nice. If you want the parameters of these, I can probably give them to you. I don't know if I can put them down. I can't put STL files down in the actual like YouTube description there. But yeah, email me and I'll be able to get them out to you if you are truly interested in these. But yeah, I just decided to go ahead and make those. Oh yeah, I remember what I was gonna say. This will fit. The blue one will fit perfectly inside of an Altoid tin lid. What sucks about that, though, is you can't put the lid back on. You know, if you do with the white one, there's just that much space. But yeah, hope you guys like this. I like to 3D print. If you guys have any 3D printing requests, and so that, yeah, hit me up and I'll see if I can make it. But yeah, this is Outwitme, and behold my invention. Also, real fast, if you may not have noticed, I haven't posted another kit video. Like an actual assembled kit, and the reason why is because I usually make kits and then take them apart. I do have quite a few still made. Before I started that, I wanted to start showing off the empty kits with these things that I've made before I show those kits, because those kits actually show these inside the kits. And so I wanted to you know, go ahead and showcase the videos, you know, of the things that you can put inside there before I actually showed those videos. So, but yeah, I'm going to be getting into actually making the kits now for the videos. So you can actually start seeing how I do these things. And plus, I field test a lot of stuff, you know, like my backyard is basically Yellowstone. So I can go, I go, I wouldn't say camping, you know, because when I camp, you know, I actually have my camping stuff with me. But when it comes to, like, you know, just a little bit of, you know, urban survival, you know, or just some bushcraft stuff like that, I take these little kits out just for, you know, a quick day hike or whatever, and so just to sit down next to a tree or a creek and just, you know, play with stuff just to see if it works. So I'll actually get into making my real kits now and show you guys, like, actually, like, what I bring out with me in the field. And I'm not sure if I should show you my absolute favorite one first, because I have found a container, a kit that it has replaced everything for me. It is the greatest thing I've ever bought when it comes to this particular hobby, or if I should build my videos up to that, which, you know, gets you guys coming back, you know, watching more of my videos. You know, if you see the best first, you might not come back for the lames. No, I wouldn't say these are lames. These are actually, I love doing this all together. I still make kits even though I have my favorite kit. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to add that in there real fast. Take care.